I'm Angela with ProVia, and today I'm at our Walnut Creek facility where we manufacture entry doors. And I'm here with Corey and Marlon, and we're in the staining department. Corey, can you tell me a little bit about what you do here?
I actually bring the doors in, I spray the door, brush it on, take a layer off, and then I send it to the next guy. What do you do, Marlon?
I take the layer off and then make sure there's no brush marks, no scratches, make sure the doors are good.
If a homeowner is thinking, well, hey, I could just stain this door myself, what's the benefit of having us do it?
Well, we got the best stainers in the world. We got 6 guys, and we've been staining doors for probably 10 years.
How long have you been with ProVia staining doors?
I think it's been here about 2 years now.
Okay. How long have you been staining
I've been here 5 years, a little over 5 years.
Okay, all right, so you guys have a lot of experience. You know what you're doing.
We work really well together too.
I can tell.
We get rolling this train.
I see that. So we also have a different department that stains the trim for our doors. How do we make sure that the trim stain matches the door stain?
We have these little samples that we match to the door and the trim before we send them out.
Okay, so we know before this door goes anywhere that these pieces are gonna match. Well, thank you guys so much for taking the time to talk with me. I appreciate it. We've learned a lot about these doors, and thank you for everything you guys do.
Hey, thank you, Ange.